If you want to move money from crypto.com to your bank account, this will guide you through exactly how to get it done. Then go down to Accounts at the bottom and tap on it. Here, you will see the crypto wallet. And once you tap on the crypto wallet, you will notice a few options at the top, including buy, sell, pay, and transfer. What you need to do is click on transfer, and once you have clicked on transfer, you will then click on withdraw. At this point, you will see the option to withdraw crypto, and you will need to scroll down to find and tap on External Wallet. Depending on your region, your balance, and your default currency, you may see different options here, allowing you to add a wallet address for withdrawal. The reason only this option appears here is due to the current balance being zero, but typically you will be able to choose the bank you would like to withdraw to and then add in those bank details. You may also be required to make a small deposit from your bank account to verify that you own and have the rights to use that bank account. And once that is completed, your bank will be added, allowing you to withdraw directly into your bank account. If you return to the home page, you can tap the lines on the top left-hand side to open the menu and look for settings. Within settings, you will be able to go into Account where you can change your currency if needed. Here you will see Display and Payment Currency showing your current setting, and you can adjust it to USD or whichever currency you prefer to use. Making this change here will allow you to ensure your payment and withdrawal can be processed to a bank account that supports the currency you have set, letting you complete your withdrawal seamlessly. And that's it. Thank you for watching.